Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I went shopping at Chanel on Christmas Day and bought one of the most sought after bags this season. I still can't believe that I managed to get this lovely bag. Oh my god, I cannot believe that I actually got it. Let's unbox this together. When Chanel released their products for the Cruise 2022 collection, this bag immediately caught my attention. If I'm not mistaken, this is the first time Chanel released a square mini in this combination, with pearl crush and in denim. This is really a collector's piece. I was over the moon to know that this was available in store. I drove an hour to get to the boutique in the city and managed to bring it home that day. I have been looking for this design for a really long time. With the crazy price increases, I have decided to get it sooner. So here I have a Pearl Crush Square Mini flat bag in denim. I did think of getting the leather one at first, but when I saw this, I have made up my mind to get this instead. Now that I'm seeing it in person, it is really a beautiful piece. No wonder it is so highly sought after and rare. Even the viewing of this bag had to be done discreetly in a VIP room. I understand from my SA that the denim pieces from this collection are very popular but also in limited quantities, so waiting list is really long. So let's take a look at this bag. It is fully lined with denim except for the strap, which is leather. Even the pole crush is made with denim. This is really pretty and I love it a lot. With the pole crush, I am able to adjust the length of the strap, and this is really convenient and more versatile in terms of styling. I now have the option to carry it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody, or a bum bag. There are just so many fun ways to style this out. This bag is in light blue denim with matte gold hardware. I personally prefer lighter denim, so this is the kind of perfect bag for me. I recall there was a similar denim bag for one of the previous seasons, which has the white CC all over the denim fabric. Let me insert a photo of it here. I didn't like that design and I'm glad this design came. Now let's open up the bag. Wow, it is really roomy. The interior is also fully lined with denim. It has a zip pocket here for more security and also a slip pocket for storing cards or anything else that's slim enough for the space. I love the Chanel detail on the zipper pull. This bag is made in Italy and comes with a microchip. Upon purchase, I registered my warranty on the spot and got a link with my bag info. Besides an acknowledgement message informing that my registration went through, it also came with tips for caring for the bag. Basically, it just digitized the authenticity card and care booklet. The bottom of this bag is quite soft, not as hard as the classic ones. From my research, I found out that pole crush design, be it leather or denim, usually comes with a softer bottom. I don't think it's an issue for me. In fact, it is better because it will allow for more items to be stored given the extra space when the fabric sinks. There is also a Mona Lisa pocket at the back so you can slot more cards or receipts. Let's take a look at what fits into this bag. I have always enjoyed packing light, so I don't bring a lot of items with me. Here I have mine. This bag is really spacious. Next, let's move on to the mod shorts. I prefer carrying this on my left shoulder so that I can have the pole crush at the front. Don't you agree that this pole crush is too pretty to hide it at the back? This bag can be worn crossbody like this, or you can also adjust the strap and wear it as a shoulder bag. If you find the leftover strap too long, you can also tuck it into the bag. But I personally don't mind, so I will leave it out hanging. With all the good things said, I have to say that denim is harder to care for than its leather counterparts. As this is my first Chanel piece in denim, I have little knowledge on how to take care of this piece. My essay advised me to wear lighter clothing to avoid color transfer and keep it away from direct sunlight and rain. Apart from this care tip, do any of you have experience caring for denim items? I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. So this is it for my video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Goodbye!